Hello everyone, welcome back to the 5 Best channel. In today's video, we will be analysing the top 5 best 360 cameras that you can buy in 2021. I've compiled this list based on buyer suggestions, opinions, price, features, durability, and hours of research. You know, the amazing thing about a 360-degree camera is that they can dynamically capture an entire scene, something no other camera can do. So whatever you're looking for in a 360-degree camera, either a high resolution or the best information on the functions and critical advantages of 360 cameras, we're here to provide the details for you. As you already know, our goal here is to create an exciting shopping guide so that you and other dear esteemed subscribers of this channel can make the best decisions when buying these products. Are you new to this channel? Welcome to the 5 Best, where we explore the best technology gadgets in the market and help you make the right purchasing decision based on your specific requirements. The links to all the products mentioned are in this video, and it is right in the description below. Make sure to click the subscription button to stay up to date with new information and content. Also, hit the notification bell icon so you never miss a video. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this insightful video on the best 360 cameras you can buy in 2021. Number 5. The Ricoh Theta Z1. This is one of the oldest 360 cameras available on the market. Ricoh released the first Ricoh Theta Z1 in 2019 when the 360-degree camera was still something of a novelty. A newer revamped model with 51GB rather than the initial limiting 19GB is now available. Hence, you must double check what you're getting before you click the buy button. Being the flagship model of the Theta series, its compact body is equipped with two 1.0-inch black illuminated CMOS image sensors, which capture high-definition 360-degree still images in 23MP effective megapixels. It supports a wide range of shooting modes, such as aperture priority, which enables you to take high-quality images regardless of the settings, indoor, nighttime, outdoor, snowy mountain views, or tropical beaches. No setting is off-limits for this camera. In addition to the basic functions, this camera uses an Android-based operating system, which you can use to expand its functions by installing Ricoh's genuine and partner-created plugins. With its EL panel, shooting information such as battery level, remaining number of images to be shot, the f-value and the ISO value can be confirmed at a glance. Although this camera shoots smooth and immersive 360-degree videos in 4K at 30 frames per second, it's not the best for video due to its short battery life. The device is expensive and it isn't for everyone. But if you're looking for a really good 360-degree still image, then it's definitely an option worth considering. However, it's not advisable to purchase it for video. Number 4. Insta360 1R Twin Edition. On the number 4 spot for the best 5 360-degree cameras to buy in 2021 is the Insta360 1R Twin Edition. This device has a unique proposition of both 4K and 360-degree action cams. This might well be an indication of the future of 360-degree cameras. Possessing two lens modules that are easy to swap, it's essentially called Twin Edition because it's basically two cameras in one. One turns into a straight 4K wide-angle camera, while the other gives it a super 5.7K resolution 360-degree shooting capability. Are you a free diver, climber, or outdoor enthusiast? This camera is best for your videos. It possesses some interesting features such as 5 meters of waterproofing, which can be extended with a special housing, auto frame mode, which can automatically find and pick out the action in a 360-degree video, slow motion night shot, invisible selfie stick, and slow state stabilization among others, which adapts and captures every action. One of the advantages of using the 1R Twin Edition is the Flash Cut auto editing feature. This feature makes use of an AI-powered algorithm to augment the various shooting modes and takes the best shots. It also edits your shots in minutes. With this, you don't need much setup time to delve into the camera. Just create a moment you can't help but capture. Pull out your camera and capture every action. The Flash Cut analyzes footage on theme, quality, and time of capture to create cinematic clips that are ready to share. Its AI-powered tracking algorithm allows you to select your subject with a tap or a voice command when shooting in 360 degrees. This keeps your subject locked in the center frame, so when an obstacle breaks out of line of sight, it automatically picks up the shot as soon as the subject reappears. There's a lot to enjoy from this interesting camera, and it's the best camera for outdoor enthusiasts, but its only detriment is its small touchscreen size. Number 3. The Ricoh Theta 5. The Ricoh Theta 5 is a member of the 360-degree Ricoh camera series. This device is very sleek and portable. It's lightweight, easy to use, and compact enough to carry everywhere. It's one of the only 360-degree cameras that can stand independently without a tripod. It's excellently designed like a candy bar, which makes it perfect for handheld use. It's a premium product that is made out of plastic, not the cheap kind though. Let's get to the main stuff. The Theta 5 can shoot 4K high-definition smooth 360-degree video at 30 frames per second with improvements to the image quality. Although this camera lacks stabilization, it still shoots superior video, particularly at low light. Speaking of the audio quality, this device comes fitted with a 4-channel microphone that supports all-around spatial audio recording. Spatial audio allows you to experience sound more realistically. This omnidirectional audio feature makes the Theta 5 a unique device and the first 360 camera to have this feature. This device can be used by just anyone. You don't need a degree in photography to efficiently use this device. The camera's new high-speed data transfer is 2.5 times faster than previous Theta models, allowing you to quickly and wirelessly upload 14-megapixel stills and high-resolution 4K videos for immediate showing and sharing. Speaking of the audio quality, this device comes fitted with a 4-channel microphone that supports all-around spatial audio recording. Spatial audio allows you to experience sound more realistically. This omnidirectional audio feature makes the Theta 5 a unique device and the first 360 camera to have this feature. This device can be used by just about anyone. You don't need a degree in photography to efficiently use this device. The camera's new high-speed data transfer is 2.5 times faster than previous Theta models, allowing you to quickly and wirelessly upload 14-megapixel stills and high-resolution 4K videos for immediate showing and sharing. I am impressed with the 360-degree video coming out of this camera, but I can't recommend it for you if you intend to do any kind of movie action shots because of the annoying omission of camera stabilization. However, if you intend to shoot mostly still 360 videos, then this is the camera for you. Number 2. Insta360 ONE X2. Taking our number 2 spot in the 5 best 360-degree cameras you can get in 2021 is the Insta360 ONE X2. This model belongs to the Insta360 brand. It's a clever and creative 360-degree camera with easy AI editing. If you're looking for the best and most capable 360 camera, know that this device is a highly capable challenger to any 360-degree camera. It gives you many creative options. The device allows you to shoot in every direction with a super 5.7K 360-degree capture and then choose your favorite angle later. As a still camera, it can take 18.4 megapixel photos at 360 degrees. It also boasts modes like HDR, burst, interval, night shot, pure shot, and shoot in the DNG format. The Steadicam feature, which allows it to capture the ultra-wide footage from a single lens, just like a regular camera, and multi-view picture-in-picture mode makes it an ideal 360 camera for vloggers. The 1.63 mAh battery inside this device runs for a longer time and is 55% bigger than its forebears. In addition, ONE X2 is built with 4 mics to locate and hone in on your voice no matter how you hold the camera. This makes it your best bet for live streaming and webcam. A final feature that places this camera on our number 2 spot is the IPX8 waterproofing. The body of this gadget is waterproof, designed to 10 meters. This means it can be used at 33 feet underwater without the need for underwater housing. It also has an Aquavision feature in the app which auto-balances the color in your underwater shots. The downside of this device is that it takes time to edit shots, it's expensive, and it requires the latest phones to work effectively. And number 1, the GoPro Max. We are excited to unveil the number 1 360 camera on our list of 5 best 360 cameras to buy in 2021. Apart from its price, which is quite expensive, no other camera matches the quality of the GoPro Max camera. Surprised? Well, don't be. Forget the old GoPro Fusion, the GoPro Max is the new 360 king. Let's check out its features. The device is a 3-in-1 camera that allows you to maximize your creative freedom. With Max, you can shoot traditional hero-style videos and photos or capture immersive 360-degree footage. Both photos and videos are automatically stitched in the camera for editing flexibility and easy sharing. This device supports multiple modes for creative videos and photos, such as Power Panel mode, which can take 270-degree still photos without distortion. Time Warp mode allows you to record in standard hero mode with a variable speed function. You can slow down then speed up your footage in real time with one tap. The Max also supports the HEVC video format, which records very small files while preserving image quality, saving you precious time on your SD card. Let's talk about the lens. GoPro Max has 4 digital lens sizes to choose from to get your desired angle for the extremely wide shots. The Hypersmooth feature provides smooth stabilization for your action shots, featuring horizon leveling within the camera for super steady footage in both hero and 360-degree modes. The sound is mind-blowing. To complement the camera's spherical video, spherical audio is also recorded. It has 6 microphones, can record sound from all directions, creating a totally immersive 360 sound video playback experience. The only detriment about the GoPro Max is that there is no traditional 4K video capture, and the app experience needs some improvement to work effectively. This device is at the top of our list because of its good quality capture and microphones, and the way it can double up as a vlogger cam and action cam too. This device is right now the best 360-degree camera around. And that wraps up today's 5 Best video. Hope you enjoyed watching the awesome gadgets featured in today's Best 5 video. For more mind-blowing videos on technology, gadgets and electronics, subscribe to our channel, like and share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video.